Hey guys, it's Travalgar Valentine today. How are you doing? Is everything okay? Well, today I'm going to do a Nissan R32 drawing. Nissan R32. And I'm going to do this like 3D style. I'm just going to do red on one side and blue on the other. Yeah, I haven't done this in a while. It's quite fun to do. So I'm just going to do this in pen first, and then I'm going to go to my two pens of choice for this. There's a blue one, and now the red one's disappeared. Ah, and there's the red one. So these three pens I'll use. Okay. Sorry, the camera is in an awkward position. I do apologize. Let's go ahead. I just did a tester here. So this is the headlights. I'm just doing this, drawing this across. Okay. Then the bumper comes out here. This comes down. Then the bumper comes up. I'm not using a ruler for this. I'm just sketching it lightly. It's cool. I won't fix any mistakes that I'll do. It's cool. If you want to do this as well, maybe try in pencil first. You don't have to draw the entire thing, just draw all the shapes, just so you got the equal proportions that you desire, shall I say? Because I don't really desire that much equal proportions, I just do it. Have fun and just go with it and use my eye level. I don't like rules, man, not too many rules. Okay, so I'm just doing these lines in. I will shade in some of these darker areas. And number plates there. And this is going to be darker inside. This is going to be the grill underneath. I don't do too much details because I've got to do this again in blue and red, but just enough. Got kind of a subconscious desire of what I want this to look like. I'm just working with it. Okay, so I've got the bumper now pretty much all done. Then bring this across. This is going to be the bonnet. And bring windscreen up. And it's got this middle mirror there. Oh, I've got this grille section at the front. A little mistake there, but I'm just going to fix that. So I'm just going to make that the line a bit thicker. And make it equal. Do the same. Okay. Squeeze the inside rim. Okay, and then it's got 5 spokes. Okay, then you do the side skirt. Then okay, then wing mirror. And bring us down for the side windows. Okay, so that's the door done. Spoiler's going to come down here. I'm just doing that so it's going to overlap. Okay, that brings down. Then we do the rear wheel. Again, doing these spokes. Okay, I think that's will do. Looks good. I'm happy with that. Maybe add a few shadows. So this is just adding value to the line weight. So it pulls the light, darkness down. There is a limit where you can do too much and too little, so you just gotta find a happy medium. And if you don't know what the happy medium is, you will find it. You'll know when you see it. And just color these in. This is my biro handwriting pen. Yeah, I don't really decide really what's the best thing. I mean, there is some things I prefer, but I just buy random stuff and just go with it. I'm not really fussed. I'll find out quite quickly what's good about it and what's bad about it. I'll just avoid those bad things. Okay, right, I think that'll do. I'm going to do the red side. So everything on the left hand side of this black line, I'm just going to do red. So just start with the outside. There. And then I'm just going to slowly work my way in. So I'm going to finish this probably off in time lapse, then we'll see what happens, because I will be adding the blue after this red. Then we'll just maybe talk about what the effect will be. So just thread them as across. Just like so. So let's just do this in time lapse and then see what it looks like. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've just done all the red and blue, and yeah, it's looking pretty trippy. I'm not gonna lie, yeah, it looks pretty awesome. It's confused me a hell of a lot trying to figure it out because my eyes keeps on vibrating on the page. It's like, it feels like it's moving almost. So I'm just go back over things and just make sure I've got these left lines all in. I'm not fussed about going over the red, and it's a nice effect. Anyone there? This is done, this is done, this is done. Okay, yeah, let's leave it there. But yeah, this has been my R32 Skyline drawing. Red and blue, 3D. Awesome. I'll see you later guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Goodbye.